Welcome to Spirit VPOS. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the Service Provider Management module. From the home screen, click on the Menu button, then go to Administration, and select Service Provider Management. This will take you to the Service Provider Management screen. Here, you can view all existing service providers along with their details. You can edit, see transactions, or delete any service provider whenever needed. To add a new service provider, click on the Add New button. A pop-up form will appear where you can enter service provider name, email, phone number, maximum debit, and reference. After entering the details, click Save, and your new service provider will be successfully added. You can view and verify all details, as well as edit the information, check transaction history, or delete the service provider if needed. Service Provider Invoice Payment. Let's discuss how to make a service provider invoice payment. From the main screen, click on Invoices, and then select Service Provider Invoice. This will take you to the Service Provider Credit Invoice Management screen. Now, select the service provider whose invoice you want to pay. Here, you will see all their invoices along with their status, whether paid or unpaid. To make a payment, click on the Pay button. A payment form will appear where you can choose between cash or card payment options. I will proceed with the cash option for this example. Here is also the Apply Discount button. Click on it, and a pop-up form will appear. Enter the required details, username, password, and the discount percentage. Click on the Apply button. You will now see different currency notes, and if needed, you can switch to the keyboard toggle to manually enter the amount. After entering the amount, simply click on the Process Payment button. And that's it, you have successfully completed the payment.